Hey, this is Sadie from Blissfully Sweet Design Co. And today we are going to get stuff for my new building. Whoop, whoop. We have flooring to pick up 2.5 hours away. If you want to watch this video and see how my day goes with the kids in the car, then just keep watching. We're on the way to get our flooring for our building. And we got the kids loaded up, the trailer loaded down, the husband's driving over here. So we're gonna pick up the flooring and yeah, hopefully it won't be too big. We're gonna figure it out as we get there. How cool is that, Dallas? Look, he's wrapping it up. All right, so we are loaded. He is loading this stuff up. This is gorgeous. And we got two different ones, one for the loft, one for the floor, in the whole thing. So hopefully, I hope y'all can see that. Y'all probably can't see it. They have it saran wrapped, but perfect. We're excited. Okay, we have our flooring loaded down. And if you hear, this is a bumpy gravel driveway. But I found this lady. Here, my little one. I found this lady on Facebook Marketplace, and she has like a whole little warehouse full of all kinds of discounted like vinyl flooring stuff. So I think it's Discounted Flooring by Tanya, and I will link that in here. Such a good experience. They were so sweet. They let us grab whatever we needed to get it loaded. So now we are actually on our way to go get a printer. Surprise! I'm driving down an empty freeway. So we are stuck in traffic, Atlanta traffic, after getting our printer, which looked really nice. We got one knocked out, a husband about to die, you know, with cars almost hitting us and all, but hopefully we'll make it home with this flooring and this printer, and yeah, hopefully when I get it home and get to looking at it, it'll look good. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for going with me on my journey today. It was pretty good considering, you know, we were in the car for so long. 9 hours. Yes, we stopped to eat lunch. Yes, we had to get out of the, you know, I did. They didn't really get out of the car. At the flooring place, they did for a second. But yeah, we've been in the car all day long. Considering the kids have been amazing. You know, we try to just play games like, look at the cows, look at what color are the leaves? You know, what color do you see? Orange, 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 green, blue, orange, you know. But yeah, they did awesome. Would I do it again? Probably not through Atlanta traffic. Sorry, these kids. I told you I'm in the house. It's driving me crazy. The flooring that I found was loose lay vinyl. And so it's supposed to be like scratch resistant, waterproof, all that mess. And I ended up getting enough. I got a lofted barn cabin building that I found on discount because it was a repo. It's taken us about 2 months to completely clean it out and all. We passed the inspection today because my husband did do the electrical work and all. So the next step for us would be the floor. So we went ahead. I found a lady online that I talked about when we were picking it up. It's called Discount Flooring by Tanya. She was super sweet, super easy to deal with. Y'all, I was able to get enough of the loose lay vinyl for my entire building, which it has a porch. So It's 36 foot because the porch is 4 foot. So 36 foot long. And then enough for the lofts too, okay? Because my thoughts are, if we're using it for storage, which we're going to, I'm so sorry, y'all hear the giggles, then I'm gonna have to crawl up there because ain't nobody gonna be able to stand and walk up there. So it would be better and easier putting our stuff on it if we had something down instead of just the wood that's gonna like prick you in the knees and jack up my, you know, workout leggings that I don't work out in. But anyway, so we got enough for the whole building and then enough for both of the lofts for $300. Which, yes, $300. And this printer, I'm hoping to be able to maybe see if it works, to try to possibly convert it to DTF. The printer I also picked up for $300. And we passed our inspection. So I feel like the good Lord above was just watching out for me today. I have not had a day like this in a very long time. You hear the dog trying to get out. It's so exciting, so nice, so lovely. And I'm glad that you guys got to share the journey with me. If you like this video and want to see more, like how to loose lay vinyl, how to convert a printer, I don't know. I don't know what's happening around here. This wasn't even planned. It just fell into my lap today. So, just make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if y'all have any questions or would like to see anything specific. Thanks. Bye.